Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode at Rescoli by Carlo, obviously our YouTube channel. What do we have today? Basically this is a chair that we have restyled. Our client wanted something refreshing, something new. He chose the colors he wanted. Let's start with what the colors are. The colors are, this is Salt of the Earth from the Frenchic furniture paint laser range, and this is Moleskin on the woods from the wall paint. What we did, basically it was, we mixed first and foremost the salt of the earth 50% with water, and before starting painting we cleaned the fabric. As you can see, the fabric is still shows the two weaves it has. This is a vertical weave here and this is a horizontal weave, so when we painted the design was still showing. After we cleaned, we gave 3 light coats of the salt of the earth on all the fabric. We let it dry thoroughly between one coat and the other. We didn't sand, we didn't need to sand because the paint was good enough to go with other coats. So we didn't really have any brush marks or anything, so we could go very easy on this one. When the fabric was dry, we painted the wood. We gave 2 coats of moleskin and then let it dry for a couple of days. And as you can see, finally we gave a very good helping of clear wax so that the fabric eventually, the paint wouldn't crack. We have already tried it. The paint doesn't crack even without wax because the salt of the rain, or the salt of the earth, comes in the laser range, which has already wax infused in it, but a second helping of wax will help eventually to keep the paint strong on the fabric. So we usually do upholstery on chairs, but our clients wanted to have this particular fabric but looking clean. Also the chair is very particular, and the fabric, the upholstery would have to be done by a professional upholsterer, but I think we have managed to save this chair. What do you think about it? So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the red word subscribe under this video, and please like this video and comment underneath with any questions you have, with any opinions you might have on this and many other things that we are posting on our YouTube channel. Please do so. It will help us improve and increase our visibility within our creative endeavors. Thank you very much. See you next week. Ta-ta.